Lamb biryani, simple and easy home recipe. Cook onion until golden brown. Set aside for later. Cook new set of onion. Add lamb meat. Ginger paste. Garlic paste. Now the spices. Fennel seed. Shan biryani mixture. Mix until all the spices are incorporated. Salt to taste. Add water. Boil until lamb meat is tender. Add full cream yogurt. Simmer for few minutes. Set aside for later. Let's cook the rice. Boil, water, and spices. Add the basmati rice once boiled. Drain water and set aside. Prepare turmeric oil mixture. 2 ts of oil. A half ts of turmeric. Then set aside. Combine all the meat and cooked ingredients. Steamed biryani rice. Layer all the ingredients. Add the cooked lamb meat. Then add the meat sauce. Then add the golden fried onion. Put the rest of the biryani rice. Add the turmeric oil. Add the remaining meat sauce. Add the remaining fried onion. Cover with foil. Steam in low fire for 15 minutes. The lamb biryani is ready. Mix before serving. Try it and enjoy.